Welcome to Kumartini Korner, your home for do-it-yourself cocktails, and today it's all about martinis. But before, we'll go over some martini basic. Some key things about your martini. First thing is the liquor. Either use a vodka or gin, whatever you prefer, but try to use one that has less of a bite to it or less of an aftertaste. Then the vermouth. Use a dry vermouth. Olives, optional. Some folks even like to use lemon peels instead. Lots of ice. Your cocktail shaker with a jig and pony measure. And your prepared martini glass. Let's begin with the classic martini. So either take a vodka of your choice or gin. I'm going to make this one with gin today. 2.5 ounces of it. So I'm going to measure this. Remember, in martini, your proportions are very important to get the right taste. 1/2 ounce of the dry vermouth. Best martinis are made when you stir them, not shaken. And then take a chilled martini glass, pour it right in there. Stick an olive in for those who like it, or a lemon peel, or I like 2 olives. And your classic martini is ready. Cheers and enjoy it. A quick little tip on how to prepare your martini glass. Either you stick it in your freezer, or you could even leave it outside while fixing your martini. Just make sure it is filled with a lot of ice and let it sit out there while you are fixing your cocktail in your shaker.